Are smart apps free in Linux? That's gonna be on our Linux app episode today. Windows apps used by Microsoft. Apple computers use Apple's Unix apps, while mobile devices, Android and Linux desktop and servers are using Linux apps. How about the BSD or the Berkeley software distro or distributions? Are using Unix apps? Oh wait, Linux and Unix apps are kind of cousins? So they share the same apps. Are you confused? Let's explore the world of Linux apps and their cousins Unix apps that Apple's ISO and Mac OS uses and the BSD OS. You can download any apps in the terminal or at their App Center or the Software Center. In Apple, they use the Apple Store. It's because they pay for some of the apps. It is not all free. But here's the best thing in Linux. Either in mobile, server, or desktop, it's all free. Nothing to pay. But remember that desktop in Linux is not Windows or neither Mac OS. As I said earlier and few episodes before, Linux mobile is also we called Android and their Android apps. But Android apps are not all free. That's because some of the apps are not under the license agreement from the FOST or the free and open source. They are proprietary software. Now let's check out the Linux App Center in KDE Plasma called Discovery. Now, how about the Gnome App Center in Ubuntu or in Ubuntu? And in Linux Mint, there are two, the Synaptic Software Center and the Linux Mint Software Manager. And how about the Big Linux Big Store? As you can see, all of our Linux distro OS are all free to use and freedom to use without any payment or subscription. Those are all in voluntary works and developers are mostly in donation or in organization-driven software. Please support free and open source software. We are all beneficiary to all of this. Some big tech companies steals the software or sometimes get some idea or inspiration from Linux software developers to earn. Sometimes if it is too obvious they donate and admit it. That's one from the comment at the Linux social groups. So I hope you enjoy the episode today. Are smart apps free in Linux? I'm Blair, your science teacher. Catch another episode of Linux App next time. And remember that science means knowing. That's why science is cool. Ciao!